At Cyber Reality X, we're trying to take AI to the next level. This is why we have created for you CRXAI, our AI image generator tools to help architect and engineer to create AI images of their design using any design tool of their choice. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can use CRXAI using the visualization feature to preserve the style of your AI images. Not only that, I'm going to also show how you can upscale the quality of those images. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, so here I have my CRXAI open and ready, and I also have my BIM model from Autodesk Revit. And as you can see, I'm using the basic sample project, which is working in the background. So let's start first by writing a prompt. So I'm going to remove this default prompt first and change the seed to 0. So as you can see, for default randomness, set the seed to 0. This is basically help us to generate a random result every time I hit generate. So yeah, it's better to set it to 0 if I want to generate different AI render. And let's put like a prompt here. Let's say a cabin in the woods with large windows. What else? Timber wall, maybe. Timber walls. Slate roof. What else? At night. Photo realistic. Photorealistic 4K. Yeah, 4K. Okay, let's try this prompt. Which image? This is our base image, and we'll hit generate. Okay, snow, that's nice. I didn't expect that, but let's try to emphasize on this. So let me see. Actually, let's put it somewhere at night. Winter night. Raining. Okay, I think this is it. Okay, well, let's save this. I think this is also nice. Okay, now that's our base image. Okay, hit generate. Let's wait. Okay, now you can see now they start like adding rain, yeah, everything we add like cabin in the wood, large windows. I can of course use its windows, but then timber walls, really nice, fantastic. Let's save this. Okay, now if I change now, if I go back to Revit, okay, let's change the view to maybe this orientation. This one, this, yeah, let's go like this. Okay, like this. Go back to CRXAI. Let's update. There we go. Save. Hit. Okay, yeah, we need to keep the same style. So let's change this to 59278. Generate. Here you go. Now, as you can see, it preserved the style, keep the same thing. Now, let's download the image and then we can do the comparison. Okay, so if I go now to this, and you can see it kept the style, kept everything as it is supposed to be. That's really nice, guys. It's really nice. Let's try another one maybe. So if I go back to Revit, maybe, okay, let's do something maybe from this side. Okay, we have this, we have the car, we have everything here. This is the back side of the building. Okay, yeah, okay, I think that's it. Go back to CRX. Let's refresh. Okay, I think we need to move a little bit. Let's just move a little bit out. There we go. Let's save the scene. Just check everything is alright. Okay, go back to same style, same prompt, hit generate. Here you go. Now, this is the back of the cabinet or the front. I'm not quite sure. This is probably the street, but you can see it's also preserved the style. Now, I don't think, I mean, it depends on the quality of the image. I think if the quality of the image is good, then you can get like a nice results. Yeah, that's the image. That's our image. Cool. That's 1, 2, 3. That's different one. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Yeah. Let's do one more. Let's do one more image, and now I'm just gonna move and pick maybe this side. Let's go like this. Yeah, maybe like this. There we go. And then go back to CRX, refresh. Nice. Save. Double check. Okay. Hit generate. Here we go. Same style. Fantastic. Save the image. Cool. Now, let's say now I want to scale this image up. Now I've saved it. That's the image, but I want to rescale it, make it larger, higher resolution. So to do this, I can go and use this function up here, which is upscale. So click on upscale. This will cost me 1 credit. Click yes. It will load for a few seconds. This is the AI generated image. Now let's wait. And this is now we have the AI upscale. Now you don't see any much difference unless like you go and download the image. So hit download or save. Okay, let's save the image. Great. Now if I go and open the image, that's the upscaled one, and this is the other one. Now if let me just open it maybe side by side so you guys can see the difference. So this is the upscaled one and this is the normal one. Now if I zoom in like so you can see the detail, and I zoom in here, now you can see there is huge difference in the resolution. Can you see like in the background what is happening here on this side maybe. Here we go. The lights, the handrail. Okay, yeah. Actually, there's not much difference in. I think I'm looking at the wrong image. Uh, yeah, yeah. Here we go. Can you see the difference? Yeah. Let's go maybe to this end. Yeah. Okay, guys. Now, I think this is all for my demonstration today. This is how you can use CRXAI visualization feature with Autodesk Revit. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, please put it down in the comment section below. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.